Now, let us install MTW TinyLoopScheduler. Open Arduino IDE and allow your attention to settle on the interface. You do not need to explore every menu yet. For now, simply follow the next step, calmly, precisely. Open Library Manager. Click the search field and type MTW TinyLoopScheduler. As the results appear, look for MTW TinyLoopScheduler by MyTechWaifu. There it is, exactly where it should be. Let your eyes rest on the name for a moment. Then move to the Install button and press it. One light click, and Arduino IDE begins downloading and installing the library. You do not need to copy files manually. You do not need to move folders or search through directories. Library Manager handles everything for you, while you simply remain here, relaxed, attentive, and quietly curious about what will become available next. When the installation is complete, MTW TinyLoopScheduler becomes part of your Arduino environment. Arduino IDE can now find the library, compile it with your projects, and show the examples included with it. A small step, simple, clean, complete, and perhaps you can already feel how naturally the next one invites your attention. Now open the Examples menu and move through the list until you find the examples added with MTW TinyLoopScheduler. Among them, you will see a classic Blink sketch. Open it. The example appears in front of you, already prepared and ready to study. You do not need to understand every line yet. For now, simply notice how the library is connected to the sketch. At the top of the file, you will see Number Include. This single line includes the MTW TinyLoopScheduler header in your project, and that is enough to connect the library to the sketch. One line placed at the top, and the library becomes available to the program. Read it once more. Number Include. Let the shape of the line become familiar. The word include tells the compiler to bring in the header file, and the name inside angle brackets identifies the library we need. You do not need to memorize everything now. Just notice the pattern, because you will see it again, use it again, and very soon it will begin to feel natural. The library is installed, the example is open, and your sketch already knows where to find MTW TinyLoopScheduler. For now, that is enough.